In this video, let me show you how to fix BPI app login problem. So in this situation, there are a few things that might have happened. Firstly, if you have the developer options or the USB debugging enabled within your Android device, you will not be able to log in or use the BPI online platform. So simply head over to the settings on your device. Scroll down, head over to additional settings, and then simply find the option of developer mode that should be visible within the additional settings. Depending upon your device, you might be able to find it on different pages as well. If you don't find it, simply head over to the search bar, search for developer options, and make sure you disable. As soon as you do that, you should be able to solve this issue. But however, if this is not the case for you, this is likely happening due to app bugs. So in this situation, what you need to do is simply reinstall the application of BPI onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still facing issue. This is likely due to BPI platform being down right now, or these servers being down right now. In this situation, you might need to wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.